Hey everyone, it's Matt Donahue with Mission Financial Planners. This is your weekly update for the week beginning January 12th. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Um, what I want to suggest as an opening today is to really just cut the strings. That relates back to my interest in Stoicism. Is Marcus Aurelius once said that we are kind of like puppets. We're controlled by emotions, fear, desire, things like that. Today, there's a lot more strings pulling on us. There's market media, there's general media, there's social media, there's technology, there's all this stuff that's trying to grab our attention. And so when we're thinking about our long-term planning, when we think about financial planning, the danger isn't necessarily a short-term volatility. The danger is you get distracted by stuff that doesn't really matter. That's the whole point of financial planning, which is to help you break through the noise and try to figure out what do you really want to have happen so that you have good options when the unexpected is going to occur, because it will. Our weekly update is quietly optimistic about 2026. Payroll growth slowed, but the labor market still remains strong. Inflation data is coming, but markets have priced in inflation concerns already. So the real story is behind the headlines. Some of the things you'll see: deal making is accelerating, which means mergers, acquisitions, IPOs, they're all positioned for one of the strongest environments in years. And that's because last year, rates were 75 basis points higher than they are now. So confidence is rising among so confidence is rising among business leaders. Nearly 60% of them view the M&A, merger and acquisition environment as strong. And this matters because deal activity fuels growth across portfolios. While the markets might create some opportunity for you, taxes will decide what you keep. And that's why in our blog post this week, and we're sending it out in an email as well, we're sending out the updated 2025 key financial data card. Long-term capital gains thresholds still matter. You cross over certain income thresholds, though, then it changes. You might also be subject to the 3.8% net investment income tax. IRMA, for your Medicare premiums, the means testing could kick in and cause your Medicare premiums to skyrocket 2 years from now. You may start even paying taxes or more taxes on your Social Security benefits. There are planning opportunities to help mitigate all this. Roth conversions, charitable giving strategies, timing your gains and losses, and then coordinating your income sources intentionally. None of it works if you react after the fact. Preparation beats panic every time. Tax season is coming up, or maybe we're already in it. A couple key things you want to think about. First of all, review last year's return. Make sure your receipts are all organized. Maybe you're going to be able to itemize this year, right? Verifying Social Security numbers, as simple as that sounds. Just make sure it's all accurate. Those IRS transcripts, they're just tools, right? Make sure you take advantage of them. If you wait till the last minute, it's going to cost you money. The reason it costs you money is because you might not really know what your options are. So discipline in this case isn't like locking you down. It's actually freeing you to make sure you've got the best options available. We're also sending out the 2026 retirement calendar checklist. You'll see that there's something for every month. And the biggest thing I hope you can take from that, it aligns timing with what happens. January, estimated taxes, Medicare enrollment windows open. April, got to file your taxes. September, beneficiary final quarter decisions have to be made. December, hey, it closes the door on deductions, gifts, RMDs, Roth conversions, right? There's all these things that happen in the course of a year, and it's because all these milestones really do matter. So when the decisions are scheduled, when you take a minute to review them and go, oh, wait, that does apply to me, or that does apply to a friend of mine, hey, let us know. Just taking a minute, stepping back, going through what you know, reviewing it with us, reviewing it with your tax professional, sets you up to cut those strings that we talked about. Understanding the market environment, understanding the tax landscape, understanding what you might have to get done this year takes you out of reaction mode and puts you into direction mode. That's what real financial planning does. We will see you again next week. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Toll free 888-339-0093. Send us an email at admin@mfplanners.com. Thanks, everyone.